Hi, this is Pat Walker at Mission Winners. One of the things that will make each of us better is to challenge ourselves. And I'm not talking just in relation to the markets, just getting better every day. Say, I'm going to learn something new today. It could be something physical, something mental. Something intellectual. I'm going to improve myself. I'm going to look at things better. I'm going to be more thorough. Let's get better every day. All right? It's a great goal. So this is the lesson of the week. This is SSO on the left, QLD on the right. Got them labeled. And there's something I'd love to show you here that will help you. This is something that we do at Mission Winners. This helps people. You have to remember, it's not just giving ideas. There's a lot of people out there that give ideas, and they're good. They're good. I'm not knocking any of them. They give good ideas, but they never teach. I want you to think about this. You hook into somebody, and they give ideas, but they never teach you anything. And then they go away. They quit. They're gone. Where are you? You're no better than when you first started. My goal is to give ideas, but explain why. And then you own the concept, and you can apply it to other situations. And the beautiful part about all this, you don't have to memorize this. This isn't something really unique mathematical. This is just a simple principle that's visually easy to see, but more importantly, it's easy to understand. Right here, we're looking at SSO and QLD, as I said. This is as of last Friday. Here we go. Which one in this week, these last 5 days, put in a higher low? SSO or QLD? QLD did. This low is higher than this low, right? The low on that daily bar is higher than this low. On SSO, this low is lower. So just looking at these two, which one's stronger? Which one's stronger? This one is QLD. What do we want to do? We want to focus on strength. QLD. There's a trigger right there. Taking out the previous day's highs, there you go. Now, is it going to work? Nobody knows the future. But if you go back and study charts, you will find that more times than not, this works. Strength begets strength. And I'll take it a step further. You can say this low, and again, this is a great lesson. This low is higher than this low on the daily. This low is lower. So this is weaker. This is stronger. You want to dig a little deeper? This is the 50-day moving average, the green line, and this is the 200. This is the 50, and this is the 200. Two questions for you. Which of these is closer to the 50-day? SSO or QLD? QLD is closer. Another brick in the wall for building a case. Take it a step further. Which is furthest above the 200-day? This is the 200-day right here, the purple line. Purple line. Which one's further above the 200-day? Well, it's simple. QLD is. So now you've built a case. QLD is stronger. So if you're looking to get involved in a broad market index move, QLD has been exhibiting more strength. So that's what we focus on. I'm going to take it a step further for you, though. And again, this is the lesson of the week. Watch this. We're going to drag this back to right here. Last day, April 3rd. So now we'll drag this back to April 3rd. There we go. April 3rd, April 3rd. SSO, QLD. Now you can say, well, Pat, really, they're both the same. Both of them have a higher low. That's it. Folks, always frame up action in relation to the moving averages also. Focus in this instance on the 200-day, the purple line, the 200-day simple, right here and right here. And the simple question for you is this. Which one is closest to the 200-day, which means it's exhibiting more strength. QLD or SSO? SSO, way below the 200-day. QLD, closer. So then you can say, okay, QLD is stronger. I'm going to do something. We'll advance this to April 20th. And I'll advance this to April 20th. Look at them both. You can say, Pat, they both went up. You're right. But remember, QLD was closer to the 200-day when we were looking at it? SSO was further away. Now look at it. 2 questions for you. Which one is above the 200-day and also above the 50-day? Look at that. QLD. SSO is still below both moving averages. So which one is outperforming? You can take a look at the move right here. Just take a look at the move right here. This one versus this one. Which one made the bigger move? QLD. Folks, I can't stress. We talk about a lesson of the week. I'm always sitting there thinking, what's a big picture concept, idea that I can share that will help you make better investing decisions where you don't have to be dependent on somebody? That to me is a powerful lesson. Over the 200-day and 50-day, still below it. Let's advance it. Let's take it up to May 11th. There we go. I ask again, which one, see the highs right here on this bar? Right there? Has price taken out the highs on this bar, which is April 29th? Has price taken out the highs? No. April 29th. QLD. Apples to apples, folks. This one, QLD, has taken out the highs. SSO hasn't. Advance it. We'll take it up here to June 1st. I'm getting there. There we go. Which one made a bigger move here? QLD. Which one is further above the 200-day? Which one is further above the 50-day? This is above the 50-day. That son of a buck guy's still below the 200-day. Folks, you really want to see something cool? On which of these 2 charts? Look at the purple moving average. That's the 200-day. On which of them is the 200-day starting to pick up, turn up? QLD. SSO, anything's still going sideways. It ain't doing nothing. You get my point. Which one led the advance early? QLD did. SSO lagged. Which one made the biggest move? QLD did. SSO did not. So what do we do with that powerful knowledge? Well, this is what we did at Mission Winners. You know what we did? We focused on stocks that are in QLD. We focused on technology stocks. We focused on growth stocks. The growth sector was outperforming the broad-based market sector. Growth. NASDAQ 100, the most innovative companies in the world, publicly traded companies in the world. And that is what we focused on. And it worked. It worked really well. You can say, well, Patrick, could you give me a couple examples? Well, sure. Watch this. Right here. In fact, we'll do this. Max list. You know the time frame. I'm going to show it to you again. We'll tighten this out a bit. There you go. There's the higher low. On QLD, look at that dang run, leading it way into new high ground. I call that sweet potato pie. A good run from April all the way through into August. So let's look. QLD is the NASDAQ 100, the big massive NASDAQ stocks. Let's rock and roll. What do you say? Apple. That's a pretty dang good move, ain't it? Amazon. We caught this several times. Baba. We caught this a couple of times, especially right there. That was sweet. Baidu really never did too much, didn't do too much with it. Facebook caught it here. Nice moves through there. Goldman Sachs. Look at this, folks. Is this technology related? It didn't do nothing. Didn't do nothing. Google, nice move. Netflix, nice move. Get ready though. Nvidia, buys here. We picked it up here, here, here. All right. Square, bought this a couple of times. Are you ready? Are you sitting down? I call that sweet potato pie right there. Buys here. And buys here. And buys there. We saw that QLD was stronger. What did we focus on? We focused on the strong, big NASDAQ growth stocks. And right here, that's a career. That's a career. The point is this. Lesson of the week, systematize. Focus on where there is strength. And then tear it apart and find what are the pockets of strength and in that index. And again, you'd make it easy. SSO, QLD. Which one's stronger? Okay, I'll look for the leading stocks in that index. Done.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.